Hi, I'm making this video with the hope that people won't do what I did, which is replacing a perfectly good fuel pump. Kia Sorento 2006. One day it just does not start. And I checked the fuel pump, I can't hear anything. So I try switching the fuses and the relays, like switching them all over, like between the other relays. Still doesn't work. I got a perfectly good battery, so that's not it. And yeah, I had to buy a new fuel pump thinking that it was the fuel pump. And when I put the fuel pump, still does not start. This thing, this is a reset, fuel reset. Take the cover off and just press this little guy, reset. There. That might not be it. That might not be the issue with your particular case, but that might be worth trying first before starting to replace whatever you have to replace. Yeah, lucky I was able to buy a cheaper brand, because this is not a new vehicle, so I just get whatever the cheapest I could get. Yeah, so good luck.